I am busy. Please sit down. Come here. Are you okay? Don't be sad. I am tired. Stand up. Don't touch that. Come inside. I am thirsty. Sit down. Don't be late. Don't be jealous. What happened? I am depressed. Look at this. Be quiet. Don't run. Wake up. Don't cry. Let's go. Please wait. Listen to me. Open your eyes. Don't be scared. Hurry up. Slow down. Don't move. Let's eat. Look over there. Tell me the truth. Hold on tight. Say sorry. Don't lie. Stay strong. Time to go. Turn around. Don't argue. Keep trying. Stop talking. Read this. Pick up. Write it down. Smile more. Stop. Don't be rude. Look at me. Sit properly. Be kind. Don't fight.